Welcome to AMT155 Assembly and Rigging. I'm going to help you get started in this class, so let's get off on the right foot. We're going to go to the Blackboard website, and we are going to start at, where else? Start here. It's the beginning of the class, so what better place to go? When I click on Start Here, there are several things in here to read, review, understand. Some things I'm going to review pretty deep, and other things I'm going to give it a glance. Here's about me, about the instructor. There's some silly pictures there. There's a section on how to navigate the course. Also, in here are different policies. Here's the policy for online courses, and this talks about attendance. Attendance is a little different for an online course, but you still have to participate and attend. There's a section about being a good, polite citizen, a good citizen of the online community. We don't flame each other. If you start to get into a battle with somebody, take a walk. Take a walk. You can say, I disagree, and I'm not going to type any more further about that. A little section on plagiarism. You are supposed to be doing your own work. These policies have been in place, and we want to just realize these are here. Technical help. The help desk will help you with problems with software. If you have lousy internet connection, you can get a hotspot from Cincinnati State if they're still available, and I think they may be. You also may be able to get a laptop computer issued to you if you need one. This is an internet course, so you do need some computer skills. There's a thing about if you have a disability, you can get with the Office of Disability Services. Here's the privacy statements. Now, the syllabus. You need to review, you have to review the syllabus for this class. So you're going to click on this link and give it a read. There is a syllabus quiz, and the course, you cannot go into the course until you score at least an 80% on the syllabus quiz. You're allowed to retake this quiz over and over. This course will be a little bit different than previous courses. You have to keep up. And if you don't keep up, there are some serious penalties which will cost you in grading. It's not going to be hard to keep up. I've made it easy, but you have to keep up, and your grade will be impacted severely if you don't. So you need to have a schedule and try to get yourself on a routine. There will be a due date every week, and that due date will be Sunday at midnight. After you complete the syllabus quiz with a score of 80%, you'll see an icon down here at the very bottom. You may have to scroll down again. It'll say Module 1 Learning Material. So when we go into Module 1, that will take us to where all the class stuff is, and we're going to go to Week 1. There will be more information in Week 1. Good luck. Let's get going on this. We've given you time. I've given you extra time to get all the first day things done. So the reading assignments and the assignments on Week 1 will be reduced so that you can do what you need to do. There will be some software you need to download, which will be the software for Microsoft Teams. It's free. Microsoft is part of our Microsoft 360, which is included in your software online. It's a free download. Also, one other thing, you'll see it in here, if you're using your mobile device for Blackboard, you need to download the Blackboard mobile app. They fixed a lot of the problems, so your uploads will work, and it will just work way better. You need to use the Blackboard app when you're using Blackboard on your cell phones or tablets